Right, here we go, another check on our primers. So the test over the existing rust is starting to pick through a little bit, possibly on the high spot, so might be a case of knock those high spots down and give that a second coat, see how we get on with that. Straightforward Halford's primer, letting the corrosion through. The well through primer is still doing a fantastic job, well impressed with that. Copper well through, letting it through. This so-called etch primer not working, this epoxy not working. The 2-pack epoxy on fresh steel, as you can see, is still working brilliantly on keeping corrosion at bay. This is supposed to be a 2-pack epoxy in a can, it just isn't working. Possibly it's on a bit too thin, needed a few more coats because that one's brushed on, but it's not. Considering that's sprayed on and that's sprayed on in a similar fashion, that hasn't performed nearly as well as Halford's well through, and that's half the price. There we go, so that's just an update on that.